As Donald Trump's health has improved, the markets have stabilized as well. Oil opened the new week with a rebound, and crude prices moved to the upside. The Russian ruble has also made several attempts to settle higher against the US dollar. The sell-off that happened on Friday is finally over. Besides, the US dollar resumed its downtrend against all other majors. At the beginning of the session, oil bounced by more than 2%. Thus, Brent managed to leave the critical level of $39 per barrel. On Monday, Brent oil futures with the nearest expiration are trading above $40 per barrel. WTI is also showing positive dynamics. Early in the day, the American grade edged higher by more than 2% and settled at $38 per barrel. Despite all the optimism seen in the morning trade, the market is holding flat, and it's still too early to talk about a sustainable uptrend. Trader sentiment has considerably improved. However, any negative changes in the current background may dampen market enthusiasm. The spread of the coronavirus around the world stays in focus of investors. Currently, market participants are closely monitoring the news about Donald Trump's health. It is reported that the US president may return back to work as early as Monday. In addition, markets hope for a final agreement on the new stimulus package in the US. Such positive signals can support the demand for risky assets. The report about Trump's positive test for COVID-19 has caused a 1% slump in the Russian ruble. Today, long positions on the ruble prevailed in the early session, yet the Russian currency struggles to hold at the current levels. During the day, the dollar-ruble pair moved slightly higher to the 78.34 mark. Meanwhile, the existing background is favorable for buying the ruble, so the forecast is based on expectations that the ruble will rise against the US dollar. Besides, some technical factors confirm these estimates. Last week, the pair closed the session at the upper boundary of the ascending channel seen in early June. What's more, the price broke above this channel in the course of the trade. The first upward target for the price is seen at the level of 76.30. The bulls need to test this level and try to settle just below it. However, this scenario is possible only when the background improves and no sanctions or other related risks emerge. Even so, the rise in the ruble is unlikely to happen today. As for the US dollar, it is expected to stay within the trading range between 75 and 80 rubles. At the same time, new bullish factors may push the greenback higher. In general, the dollar-ruble pair has all the chances of reaching the mark of 80. Today, investors will closely watch the data on the US services PMI. If the external situation deteriorates and the published report turns out to be weak, the US dollar will try to win back its losses and move into positive territory. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you back soon.